Whether you do it as a hobby to learn new skills or just to save money, DIY projects can be made significantly easier by adding a few new power tools to your collection. To help you get started, here are 11 tools that you should consider.
For over 100 years, Porter Cable has provided and serviced quality power tools for the professional woodworker and tradesman. Tools engineered to deliver high-quality, professional results at a great value. We continue this legacy with the introduction of the newest addition to the Porter Cable 20-volt max system of tools, the 18-gauge straight brad nailer. Operating on the 20-volt max 4.0 amp-hour battery means more nails per charge. The flywheel mechanism provides power and consistency, while tool-free settings allow quick adjustments and simplified troubleshooting. Along with multifunctional LED lights, a range of other convenient features make jobs easier. The lightest in their class, the lightweight design, handle ergonomics, and a balanced center of gravity provide comfort during extended use. Eliminate the need for big, noisy compressors, hoses, or costly fuel cartridges. This translates into less setup and breakdown time, and effortless maneuvering on the job. No hose, no compressor, no gas. The Porter Cable 20-volt max finishing tools.
Remember when you had to smooth out those joists? When you needed to easily fix a stubborn door or make two uneven boards flush? Now you can do all this and more with the Wen electric hand planer. The 6-amp motor provides up to 34,000 cuts per minute through even the hardest of woods. While most of our competitors have a maximum depth of 5/64 of an inch, the Wen planer exhibits 16 positive stops in 1/128th inch increments to fine-tune your cuts anywhere up to 1/8 of an inch deep. The Wen electric hand planer also comes with a handy dust collection bag that can be attached to either the right or left-hand side of the planer, an adjustment wrench with onboard storage, a kickstand to protect your blade, a rabbiting guide to help measure the depth of your rabbets, and a parallel fence for making perfectly straight cuts. The base of the plate even has a V-shaped groove to help make chamfering the corners of your wood easier than ever. And if you have a dust extractor, you can plug it right into either side of your unit to maximize the collection of sawdust and keep your work area clean. Remember when you had a reliable planer that gave you years of quality service?
for professional contractors who rely on their miter saws day in and day out. Introducing the new Makita LS1018. It's the latest in Makita's expanding lineup of best-in-class miter saws. The LS1018 weighs only 43.7 pounds for added job site portability. Pros demand accuracy, and the linear ball bearing system is engineered to deliver smooth, dead-on accuracy, cut after cut. At 90 degrees, the LS1018 has a full 12 inches of cross-cutting capacity with 8.5-inch capacity at 45 degrees. The saw miters 0 to 47 degrees left and 0 to 60 degrees right, and bevel cuts from 0 degrees to 45 degrees left and right. The ergonomic rubberized handle design with larger trigger has a better fit for added comfort. It's powered by a direct drive 13 amp motor with soft start, so you'll get smoother startups and constant power with no belts to slip or replace. Get the cutting performance and accuracy for the most demanding jobs. Get the LS1018 10-inch dual slide compound miter saw.